Hey everyone, it's Kiana and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited about today's video because we're doing my what I eat in a day / cook with me. I'm so pumped to be working with HelloFresh for this video. I've always wanted to try like those meal subscription services and I just haven't ever had the chance. So if you guys know me, I'm pretty lazy when it comes to like cooking and stuff. So just being able to have all of my ingredients and recipes in like one box, so convenient. Basically for this video, I'm gonna be telling you guys like what I eat in a day and also be cooking some of the meals in the HelloFresh box. The food that's in it sounds so good and I'm so excited to make it. But basically I want to update you guys on my life because I haven't really been vlogging that much lately. I actually did vlog in Vegas, but I feel like there wasn't enough footage and just not enough content that I could put together like a full coherent video. If you guys are interested in seeing some of that footage, I might throw it into a different vlog. But basically this past week I had a really busy week. I had 3 exams, which is pretty freaking painful. Just super relieved, super happy because now I just have 1 more week of school until I fly home for spring break. So that's basically a little recap. I'm sorry I didn't want to go into like too much detail because this is a cooking video, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also check out HelloFresh because they're literally so awesome. If you use my code ThatMakeupGirl80, you're gonna get $80 off of your first month of HelloFresh. So yeah, let's get started. So I just got my HelloFresh box in the mail. I'm super excited to see what's in it. Ooh, so here are the recipes for the week. We have chicken pineapple quesadillas. I love quesadillas, so this is definitely something I'm gonna love. A juicy burger, and then figgy balsamic pork. Just because this is what I eat in a day, I really wanted to mention what I do start my mornings off with, and that's usually a cup of coffee. But yeah, I'll usually drink coffee and then I'll eat a bagel. It's not the very nutritious option, but gets the job done. Okay, so we're in my kitchen now and I decided I'm going to be making the figgy balsamic pork with roasted green beans and rosemary potatoes. Just the picture, that looks pretty bomb. This says it's gonna take about 30 minutes. The prep time's 10 minutes. I already defrosted my pork meat stuff. I don't cook, so. Okay, the first step says wash and dry all the produce, so I'm gonna do that right now. Because I'm a college student, I do not have a cutting board, so we are using this really cheap plate. Okay, now we have the washed potatoes. Okay, so the second step was to put the potatoes on a baking sheet. So I just put it on this little platter thing and I put a little bit of olive oil on there. Now that the oven's preheated, I'm gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna do that for 20 to 25 minutes. Now the next step is to sear the pork. So now I'm gonna grab my olive oil again. I'm gonna grease up the pan before I put the pork on there. It says it'll take about like 10 to 12 minutes for everything to be fully cooked. For one of the last steps, we are making the pan sauce and I'm super excited. This is like almost coming together. So we're gonna be putting olive oil, putting the shallot. I'm skipping the rosemary, but I'm gonna be putting in the stock concentrate, the vinegar, and the 1 tablespoon of fig jam. Then it'll be done. Looks like this is almost done. I feel like I'm on my own little cooking show, but it's not a very good cooking show. It's done. I don't know if it's just me, but I always get nervous cooking meat because I never know if I'm actually gonna cook it all the way through and then I'll probably die. Okay, over here we have the balsamic vinegar and we got this chicken concentrate. I don't know what this is, but some kind of sauce, some kind of sauce. Then we got the fig jam. Really interested to see how this is gonna taste. But I'm gonna put olive oil on this pan so then I can get the little sauce ready. Okay guys, so my presentation isn't as nice as I would like it to be, but this is the final product and everything looks so good. I didn't really put enough water inside the sauce, so it's kind of just like shallot chunks. This is the final product and let's do a little taste test. I'm so excited to eat this. Okay guys, so I've been eating this and I'm literally so impressed. This was actually pretty fun to make because I'm not used to cooking. It was really straightforward and easy. Even though I'm a newbie, it was still easy. So most of the stuff is pretty healthy, and like I said, for me, it's hard for me to be healthy all the time because I'm in college and like I'm not very proactive when it comes to like going to the grocery store and getting all like the healthiest ingredients and stuff. So having all this in like one box and just having everything planned out for you is just super helpful. I'm happy.